Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sunny Singapore. This is my impression of trying to be a cute little puppet. Oh my god, I feel so shy. I hope I can do this. This is so crazy. I know you guys think I've gone cuckoo today, but maybe I have with all the Daiso shopping that I do. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. You can see I'm absolutely static. So today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the largest Daiso hauls that we've ever done. I hope you enjoy it, so keep watching. So now let's get started with this first item. It's one of my favorite acrylic trays. And I bought this in the past before. I have one or two of them around. They are great in the fridge, and you can also use them on your dressing table. You can also use them for these serving purposes. I'm just showing it here with some little tiny shot glasses actually. And if you have followed me on my Instagram, you would see that I had done some golgappa shots or pani puri shots, whatever you call them. And they are great for just tiny desserts or other kind of things that you would like to use if you don't drink alcohol, which I don't. So I use them in other ways. And when my mom saw me use it in the golgappa shots, she also wanted to get a set for herself. So this is her set actually. So she went shopping with me, and we picked up this acrylic tray with these little shot glasses, which are really nice. They are like they have a little stem base at the bottom, and they're $2 each, so that's a great price for the whole set. Now the next item I picked up here is these wall hooks, which are actually stick-ons, and they have a weight capacity of about 1 kg, which is about 2.2 pounds, which is pretty decent. And they are really multifunctional. You can put them in the kitchen, in your rooms, wherever you find it convenient. Now the next item that we are going to be seeing that I purchased is actually a mesh net, which I bought. You can see these are some mesh nets. Now these are really good for giving as gifts in areas where people stay when they have bugs and things like that, and they want to cover their food once it's prepared or something. I don't use these, but I actually picked these up for sending it overseas. And these are really nice. They're foldable. They can be washed out also, and they can be very useful if you want to cover some food. They're also good for covering your fruits, for saving it from fruit flies. Now these canisters, oh my god guys, I'm so excited. These are really nice canisters. They're actually about 15.2 fluid ounces, I think that's what it says, or 450 ml, and they're decent size. They were really nice. They have a suction kind of a airtight top, which the airtight does work to quite a good extent, I would say. I've been using them for a while now, and they're really pretty. They're simple, they are minimalist looking, and I picked up a few of these smaller size ones, and I picked up quite a few of the slightly larger ones. So this is what they look like. They are stackable. Yeah, they are 450 ml, as you can see here, and they are really nice. I really like the way they look. They're very simple, and I've seen similar ones on other websites online, which are a lot more expensive. So I thought these were a really good deal, but I went back to Daiso recently again, and I did not see anything there available. So I don't know if you will find it in your Daiso if you're in Singapore, but do let me know if you do, please, because I'd like to get my hands on a few more. Now this is just the paper cutter. It's a 2-in-1 cutter and staple remover. With all the online shopping we do these days, it's handy, so I just got that. This is just like a cleaner. These are electrolyzed water cleaner wipes. I just wanted to try these out. I would say they were okay. I tried them. They're not great, but they were okay. Now the next item are these gorgeous olive oil and vinegar bottles. They are so nice looking, so minimalist, and the labeling on it was printed on the glass. So it's not like a label that's going to come off. You can wash them like several times and it still remains. So those are really nice. I love those. Now these are just some under the kitchen sink. You can add it, or in your under your cabinets. You can slot these in. They can be used for hanging your extra spoons or cloths or even paper towels, anything. You can use them for so many purposes. You can pull out those hooks and you can use it for something else. So I got one, my mom got one, so I'm just showing you guys three that we bought two. And these are really, really nice and sturdy. They're metal, and that dowel is a wooden dowel that is there. So this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it clearly. I haven't installed them yet, but I look forward to putting them into my kitchen and doing some organizing. Let me know if you would like to see how I use some of this stuff, and I would do another video on that. So this is a really nice item. It's a very sturdy item, and I would highly recommend that you guys check it out. And I have been seeing them in Daiso all over the place. Now I bought some little gift for a little friend of mine. He is quite an artist, and he loves to draw and paint and do things like that. So I picked up a little sketchbook for him. I hope he's going to enjoy it. And this is just like a few little small things that I was gathering to send it as a gift. And because we are, you know, like not really meeting up people and stuff, so sometimes it's nice to send the kids a little something. And these are water-based color markers, so if the kids get super naughty and draw something on the wall, they can be cleaned out easily with a magic sponge. And then there is this little robot pen that I'm sure he's going to love. And then the paint brushes that go with it, and I also got some paint. So this is going to be like a little, something like a hamper or whatever I'm going to make. So these are water-based colors paint set. And yeah, so just for the, you know, some kind of an activity for the kid to enjoy. And this is a little palette to mix the paints and things like that, so it feels like an absolute artist. So we're just going to send the artist all the accessories that he may need to become the next Picasso. So here we go. The next one is a 4-way clock. Now this is very similar to, I think there is something like this in IKEA if I'm not mistaken. And I saw this at Daiso, so I thought that was very interesting. I picked it up, but now I think it's going to go as a gift too to somebody who really likes it. And then we have these little hooks that you can just put onto your cabinets, and you can just hang your bags, garbage bag or your towel, whatever. And this is something that my mom picked up. I'm not really into using a lot of plastic, so I think we're slowly going off that, and I think she's also doing that. But I think she just picked it up just to try it out. This is just for covering the food. They're like little shower caps, and I'm just showing you one. I opened it here to show you, and this is how it goes on top of the bowl. So you can cover your food. This is a really small bowl, but you can cover even larger size bowls. And these are really quick covers, and you can actually reuse them, so it's not really a bad decision to get that. Now these are some S hooks that I picked up, and I've done a sort of a DIY for my landing station. If you would like to see that, again, comment below and I will, you know, do a video on that. This is just some potpourri, lavender flavor or smell, scent, not flavor, scent. And these document organizers, just to keep some documents organized in the store, and they're really inexpensive and keeps it dust free, and just has like a slot in lock kind of a thing. You can see it's very minimalist looking. It just can just, you know, stand on its own. Really nice, really simple. So picked up 2 of those. And the next item is again that something like a cover. This is a lot better. This is a silicone cover. I've got 2, so I've opened one just to show you guys, and it just sucks on to your bowl. I know IKEA has something similar like that too, and Daiso has a very decent quality of this. So these are really, really useful, and for leftovers in the fridge and stuff like that. Now this is something I really like. I've been using it actually by the time that I'm doing this voiceover, and I absolutely love it. It's actually, you can put your bottles, your you know, any kind of stuff that you want to dry, even large you know, mugs or whatever, you can put it to dry on it. But it's actually meant for a bag filling thing. So you have your sandwich bags. If you're putting, you know, your marinades in the fridge or things like that, you can slot the bag like this on top. I'm sorry I have to show you an IKEA bag because I don't buy the bags from Daiso anymore. So it has to be from IKEA. And This is how it is. So just the bag stays in open and you don't need to fiddle with it, and then you can fill your marinade, and it's so much easier. And I'm just showing it to you. You can also use it for a small bag and throw your garbage while you're cooking. So it's really a multi-purpose thing. I also use it to dry my little hand towels that I use on a daily basis for wiping my counters and stuff. So this is a really, really nice versatile item to have, and it folds in and puts it in your drawer. You can put it in your drawer, really simple. Now this is hand powered 2 LED light, just a torch at night, just something useful. And this is just a pen that I needed, so we just picked up this little pen for just for using for the occasional time that we need to sign documents on delivery or stuff like that. So it's just easy to have a pen lying around somewhere. Now the next item are these cloth insect repellent things. Now these are just as a precaution. We just like to put them in the winter clothes trunks or boxes, or however you save your winter clothes. These are useful. Now this key ring chain, this is something also interesting. You can use it for so many other things apart from key rings. So I just picked up that. Now this one is just a stick-on holders. The one at the bottom actually goes in a pegboard kind of a thing, but the one on top is a stick-on one. So I picked up 2 of these. I intend to put the stick-on one under one of my cabinets maybe. And this is my absolutely, I love this. I bought another one. I went back and bought another one. These are really, really nice. So you've seen them in my previous video. If you missed that, please go and watch that. Those were for shower anti-skid kind of things. Picked up, my dad picked up some ties. These are not picked up by me. He just wants to give them away. And this is just for washing the delicates. So just put your undergarments, your delicates, anything with an embroidery or something that you want to wash, or your fancy cushions, covers and things, you can put them there. You can even put your socks actually in that. And these socks we picked up for our niece, and these are really nice, good quality girl socks, and they're really cute. And just for daily wear, day-to-day wear, they're ankle, most of them are ankle high or slightly higher than the ankle. They're really nice, really good quality socks. One thing about Daiso, if you pick up something from there, most of the time the quality is really nice. So do check them out. If you're looking for some socks for little girls or boys, do check it out. Daiso is a great place to pick up some socks, and you can pick up different quality, like these single ones for $2, and then you can also pick up double for $1 for slightly less, the quality is a little bit not as nice as the single ones. And then this is the digital watch, which I think my mom picked it up for somebody. And then the Mickey and Friends, we picked this bag up. It's a Disney merchandise actually made for Daiso, and it's going to be used as a gift bag for a little girl that we plan to give a gift to. So I thought this was so cute, and she could probably use it till she goes to preschool and things like that, to carry her lunch and things like that. I thought that was quite a cute reusable bag. So we just picked up this, but we haven't seen this again. We're hoping to get another one and keep it and see if we want to use it later. So these are the other canisters that I was talking about. These are the 1 liter ones. Oh my god, guys, these are so amazing. I've just been absolutely enjoying these, and they're so nice, so minimalist. And the only thing is they're not dishwasher safe, so you have to hand wash them. And I absolutely love them. They go so well in my drawers. If you would like to see that, do comment below. I would insert a picture on Instagram how I'm using them and how I've organized my drawers with these. So these are like stackable. You can put them in your pantry closet or pantry, and even if you use your drawers as a pantry or whatever, you can use that. So these are really nice. They're 1 liter capacity, as you can see, and it's a pretty decent size. So you can put all your dry goods, your stuff in your fridge sometimes. They can have so many hundreds and thousands of uses for these. Now we just picked up some slippers to wear, inside the washroom. We have this kind of a culture here that we have different slippers for outside, inside the house, and inside the toilets. So we have separate ones there. Now these were picked up by my dad. He picked up some socks for himself. since we really like the quality of the socks for daily use. So he picked up a few just to wear on a daily basis. And yeah, these are pretty just nice, decent socks. Next one is a dog brush. This is for my um, little dog, the family dog, I would say. And this one was picked up by my mom, so she's gonna give this to my sis, I think. And we picked that up for the little dog there. Now the next thing is not my taste, of course. It's got too much color on it, so this is just a gift. And then we picked up this A5 2.3 cm folder just to put some documents in there or receipts and things, and just for storage. Pretty decent, has a good lock, very good quality plastic as usual. Then these magnetic tapes and sheets, I'm just sharing it with you. These are great for organizing in case you want to use it. And this is also a magnetic sheet. It has a cork board on one side and magnet on the other. So these are all the magnet tape, magnet sheets that we all picked up. And these are really, really nice and a great deal for $2. I have the bigger one on my fridge now. And we just scribble on whatever we need. Sometimes other people scribble on it. For me, I just talk to Alexa. So that's how it goes. So anyway, but whatever, if anybody wants to scribble something, a note to you, they can put it on the fridge and things like that. So yeah, these are really nice and useful. You can put them actually in your closet also, or even near your dressing area and stuff, and even in your toilets or whatever. Now the next thing we picked up are these boba tea straws. They are actually, I think, boba size, almost at that size. They do have them in regular size or boba size. Yeah, you can see that those are boba size ones. So they're pretty nice and big. And if you're not familiar what boba is a tea, boba tea. Those are tapioca balls. They put them in the tea. Look it up. Get some boba tea. Enjoy. It's very, very fun. And in Singapore, really, really common to get boba everywhere. Now these are actually the ribbons for, I think they got them out for Christmas last time, if I'm not mistaken. I had seen those. So these are really generic colors and really good for gift wrapping. So just got a set of that. Then some napkins. Lately Daiso has not been getting nice napkins, but yeah, just got a few there. Not having a lot of guests over these days, so don't need a lot. Just a few. Once in a blue moon we have somebody over, and yeah. So we just got some little tea time napkins and also the regular size napkins. So these were just simple, and yeah, just about 15 to 12 pieces, not many, just a few. Now the next thing I picked up was this Bath Series Clean Fresh soap dish with a sponge at the bottom, and this is so good. I have been using this in my washroom, in both my washrooms actually. And we put a bar soap there also with the liquid soap, so whoever wants to use the bar soap, they can if they want. And this is really good, and it makes your bar soap remain dry, so it's really, really good. And I would suggest that you try that if you are into that. Now this soap net bag, I picked it up, and this is again the same thing for the people in the house who use a bar soap to take a bath. They could use this and put the bar soap inside. And then this item is the same thing, goes on top of your kitchen cabinet doors or your closet doors and things like that, and it's very useful. I'm sure you've seen these around everywhere. So picked up a piece of this. I think it's just gonna go on top of my room door or something, just to hang the clothes from time to time. So the next item that I picked up was this. Actually, it's a long stem glass holder, and you can just slot it inside your kitchen cabinet. I plan to use this in a slightly different way. Maybe I was thinking of putting my paper towel box in that. So I'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. If you want to see how I'm using it, comment below. I'll try and insert a picture in Instagram. So guys, hey, welcome back. We're back to the end of the video. So if you enjoyed it, oh my god, I'm so shy. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed my crazy puppetness. And I hope you enjoyed all the stuff I bought at Daiso. So thank you so much for watching and take care, and do come back, do subscribe. More videos coming up soon. Take care. Love you guys. Bye bye.